Hi everybody, my name is Tyler Van Drumlin. This is me right here. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. I grew up all over Utah, but my family's been in Salt Lake City for the past 6 years. The reason I've grown up all over Utah is because my father has moved around for work, but we're in Salt Lake City now. I love it there, it's beautiful. This is my mom, Stephanie, my dad, Eric, and then this is my younger sister, Sarah. I'm the oldest of five. There's five in my family, five kids, and you'll see them as we go on. Something interesting about myself is that when I was 11, I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, so not a lot of people know that, but it's been a big learning curve, and it's actually kind of been a blessing in my life. I've learned to live with it and be um, compassionate with other people. It's helped me connect with other people, so it's been something that's actually been quite beneficial for me. On this next slide, you'll see a picture of me. I'm on the right, and then this is again, my younger sister, Sarah. Um, the reason she's in so many pictures, right now she's serving her mission in Texas, the McAllen, Texas mission, so miss her, can't wait for her to get back, but she's doing great and she's loving it. Right now she's 20, I'm 22. And then let's go to the next one. This is a picture of my whole family. It's my youngest sister, Ella, she's 5 years old. My brother Zachary, he is 14. My brother Ethan, he's 17 right now. My sister, again, she's 20, and then I'm 22. And then, again, that's my mom and my dad. Again, just another picture of my family. We took a vacation, so this was actually taken about 2 weeks after I got off my mission. So this is me with my family, and it was a week before my younger sister went on her mission. And that's it. That's all the pictures that I have. Something that I really want to learn in this course is I'm really into psychology. I love psychology, especially human development and growth. I think it is something that's very fascinating, and I intend to go into grad school one day and hopefully end up getting my PhD in psychology. So this is actually one of my required courses. So I hope that this course will help get me on the right path and maybe open my eyes a little bit more to what I might want to do with psychology. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with psychology. I just know that I enjoy it, that it's interesting to me, and I want to go into it. So I'm hoping that what I learn in this course will help me with my future career, my future schooling opportunities, and kind of help give me a better idea of what I want to do. Um, so yeah, that's me. The only other thing I can think of is I've been up at Rexburg for the past year. This is my fourth semester. So we're almost halfway done, and I love it. It's been a blast. I served my mission in California, San Jose mission. It was incredible. After I got back from that, I was home for like about 2 months, and I came straight up here. Um, and I'm enjoying it. I love it. I'm really excited for this class and what I'll learn, and hopefully I'll be able to get to know all of you. But I hope this video helped explain a little bit who I am and what my interests are. And again, I'm excited for this course. And yeah, I hope you all have a great day and good luck this semester.